This is a little clip from the Cerbat Crest Trail, or Cerbat, or Cerbat Trail. Cerbat Crest Trail. I just ran the drone out a little bit just to kind of just get a little view of the whole area. They got those little rocks there, which are kind of cool. And you see me in the background. Drone's lining up. All right, now it's going to follow me. It's just a nice trail. The terrain is too rocky or bumpy. Sometimes I just find it too difficult to have the drone going. I already have the GoPro and whatnot, but I just have, this didn't look too bad, and it wasn't. You know, it's got a couple little rocks and stuff for me to climb up there, but it wasn't terrible. And pretty straightforward with the trail too, so. Made it easy for the drone to follow. Where are you going, sir? Excuse me, sir. Where are you going? It was a nice day. It would have been great if there was clouds. That just makes it so pretty. I would have been real happy just to show these mountains and stuff with a whole bunch of clouds back there, but there really just wasn't clouds. It was just a bluebird day, and it clouds like on the drive home near Las Vegas, but overall wasn't a ton of clouds. Drone gets kind of funny around trees. It does not like trees. It does not like it when Alice is blocked by the trees. Kind of acts funky sometimes when it gets around the trees. You kind of see it's kind of like hovering back and forth. Now I controlled the zoom, so it was like looking more close up. Now you can kind of see what the hill looks like, me climbing up it. Little wispy little things up there, and chemtrails help control us. Not really, but I feel like the need to consume whenever I see them. And there we go. Zooming in on me a little bit. It's getting a little rocky. Can't quite decide what the hell I want. They could have added all this to the main trail, but you know, it's like, all right, so I clipped out like 10 minutes, and that would have been fine. But sometimes it's nice just having the drone available separate. So I like seeing the hills from above too. One of these times I'm going to do more drone. More like an hour of just trail and then not worry about the GoPro. I think that would be nice. But I really, for something like that, I would want like a really nice day with the nice puffy clouds. So probably this spring we'll find something. I mean, I don't know if they get puffy clouds down here in the winter or not. And we've had a lot of clouds here since we've been here. I've been very surprised. Anytime we visited out west with the Subarus and the other Xenomorph, my other Jeep I had, the Tahoe or Silver Bullet we had, or any of our other vehicles, it's like we rarely got clouds. Almost all the time it was, just blue skies. And, well, it's nice out. It's just not, this doesn't look nice for pictures or video. Hard to believe sometimes looking at the Jeep from this. It's as big as it is. It kind of looks like a little toy. It has 37-inch tires and a 3.5-inch lift on it. And there's a tree. See, the drone's getting a little anxious. Oh, there you are. All right, I'm happy now. That looks like a little RC car sometimes from above. Again with a tree. Okay. Kind of coming around this corner. And then we're going to cut to like this rock that I saw off in the distance. And I'm really glad the drone was able to capture it. But you can see light through the rocks, like with your eyes. So look at that. And the drone was able to pick that up, which is really nice. It was kind of a cool rock. Well, and now full rotation. And you can see like some of the stuff in the background too. It's pretty neat. And there's the hole. Coming back to the Jeep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up.